Hey everybody, Hardscape Nate here with Dave McManus of McManus Farms and Landscaping, and we are at the beautiful Beech Mountain Resort on Beech Mountain in Banner Elk area, right? Am I getting that right? I always get the Banner Elk part mixed up, but it's gorgeous because obviously off to the back here is they're still skiing and it's 72 degrees out. So, yes. But no, this is what brings us here is the unbelievable work that you've done here. So give me a little bit of rundown. What all have we got going on here at this facility?
Well, this at one time was an ice skating rink. They took it out and decided to put this hardscape in, and they wanted an area, so they had the brewery there, they had the tubing run over here. And so they wanted an area for, you know, the grandparents bring their kids for tubing. They can grab a beer, come over here and sit by the fire pit and enjoy the fire. That was the whole thing behind the idea for this project, was to give people that are art skiing or snow tubing something else to do.
This is like the perfect spot because there's you got four little private cove fire pit spaces, and you got them flanked with the Belvedere wall, seat wall, some pillars, and I think what you mentioned, it was like about 1,200 square feet of overall Belvedere wall. It's gorgeous. It gives that rustic feel of being on the mountain. They're just little cove spaces, and using the Grand Flagstone adds to that rustic feel.
Absolutely.
So you did something really unique. One of the first things I noticed walking up.
Well, we wanted to use the coping to keep the gravel and the mulch separated, and kind of to try to, when there wasn't snow on the ground, to keep people out of the mulch bed.
And then you guys lit it too. So I mean, obviously in the evening.
Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful lit up at night.
How did you find Belvedere to be compared to working with natural stone?
Much easier to assemble, no cutting. We can put it together quicker, a lot less labor. You offered everything we needed. Otherwise, we would have probably been, if we'd have dealt with another company, we would have probably gotten part of the material from them, part of it from another company, but you had everything we needed.
Dave, I want to thank you again for having us up here, showing us the beautiful craftsmanship of your guys' work and this unbelievable setting. I'm hoping we get to come back, have a couple of beers some night after we get off the ski hill. And hey, I want to thank you guys for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you on the next project.